In today's session, I'll be using two illustrations to help explain the difference between a population and a sample. So let's get to it. Imagine a school with 1,000 students and the principal wants to know the average amount of time students spend on homework each night. If the principal decides to ask every single student in the school, that would be gathering data from the entire population. The population, in this case, is the complete set of all students, and every one of them is included in the survey. Now, instead of asking 1,000 students, the principal can decide to just ask 100 students from different grades. This smaller group of 100 students is a sample. The principal uses this sample to estimate the average homework time for the entire school. A sample is a smaller manageable group selected from the population, and this sample is used to represent the whole population. The population in this case being the entire 1,000 students. Let me illustrate this using another illustration. Let's say a large coffee shop chain wants to know what all of its customers think about a new coffee blend. The population in this case would be every customer who visits any of the coffee shop locations across the country. So if the chain wants feedback from all its customers, they will be surveying the entire population. Okay? The entire population in this case being every customer who visits their shop's location. But instead of asking every single customer, the coffee shop can decide to survey just 1,000 customers from different locations. This group of 1,000 customers is what we call a sample. So the feedback from this sample helps the coffee shop to understand what the entire population of all customers might think about the new blend. So in summary, a population is simply the entire group you're interested in studying or gathering information about. It includes every single member of the group, like all students in a school or all customers of a coffee shop chain. And the sample is simply a smaller group selected from the population. It is used to represent the population, and this allows you to make inferences or conclusions about the larger group without needing to gather data from everyone in the entire group, or that is in the entire population. So understanding the difference between a sample and a population helps in making accurate and efficient decisions when gathering and analyzing data. Thank you for watching.